tidiness on the boy. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Ooh. That's one tidy boy. Oh, it's tidy everywhere. Oh, this poor crusty boy is just abandoned and crusty. Oh, yeah. We'll get there. The major progress on the boy though is going on here. The arch is on. I'm gonna sprinkle that time-lapse video that you done of you welding in here.
Any ideas? Any ideas?
This is where we're at. The outer skin is on, welded all the way, ground. What's that? What is that? Oh, is that waterproof? So is it like fiberglassy sort of?
It'll get mostly sanded back, but it protects the weld from any pinholes.
Good and straight. That's looking good and straight.
Add a bit of dollying to get it back after the weld. The weld pushes in along these lines anyway, naturally, for some reason. It always goes in. So this has had a fair amount of dollying to get that back out. Still, you know, 2 mil behind the level, the square of the panel.
Yeah.
But it was probably 3-4 mil there, and here, tiny bit here. So a bit of dollying, so there's not much filler there.
Oh, it looks good though, for just placement.
Here's the trick of keep wetting it up when you're lining it up. Keep wetting it up with degreaser. Get that shine, so you get the shine on your edges.
Let's have a look from this angle. Spray it up, it gets all nice and shiny. Yeah, the camera's actually picking up quite good. So then the whole thing turns shiny, so then you can see if the reflection of the light is consistent. Yeah, it's actually quite good on camera, you can see it really well. All of this is all buttoned up.
So that is...
Oh mate, that looks good though. That looks very nice. Just a little roll.
Any ideas?
I can't really see it on camera too well, but
yeah, just considering the panel was like that.
Yeah, considering it's straight, but now it's just it's poking up just a little bit in.
This gap here had to be scraped out, split it because it was rusted.
Yeah.
So that gap had to be scraped out, sealant.
This little tab bit, did you have to make that little tab bit up as well? No, or was that already there? Oh mate, that looks good though, this corner, that looks lovely.
You can see it better from the inside.
That looks nice, look at the inside, what's happening? Ooh, compared to, oh this is good progress. This is good progress videos. This is nice comparison to like before and after. When did you do this?
A lot of work. There's more work in this corner than it has been probably on the whole of the
Oh my god.
arch panel. Again, this corner as well.
Any ideas?
Big panels are nice and easy. And little folded.
But you can see the penetration. The penetration on the welds inside of here is nice and good. Butt scratcher! Butt scratcher! Hello, mate. Where's the sausage? You're a sausage. Hello, me. Hello, me. Hello, me. Hello.
How's it going?
Yeah, not bad, mate. I hate everyone. Traffic is long and the weather sucks, but such is life. I'm hopped up on cold medication, so I thought, word. Yes.
Lay down. Lay down.
Right. So we're picking up from
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
from the last
Light on.
clippage.
Any ideas?
So you've cut out this. Mate, layers upon layers. Hello, Chewy. Hello, mate. Hello, doggo. Hello, hello, hello. Mate, it's all wet. Proper wet dog. Hello, mate. Okay. Doggos.
Go on, show me, doggo.
Doggos, mate. Right. Okay. So, you have. Was this a piece that was it coming down further to here?
Yeah. So that is.
And was it? And did it
this.
go? Oh, look at the crusty boys. So that's all rotten
That's why I
brown,
didn't weld that
poopy
up, 'cause I knew
woopy.
I'd have to replace some of it, you know?
Was it here like
If I
this?
would have welded that all the way up, I'd have to cut it on.
Chewy just wants a sausage. Oh mate, I need a whole drink is what I need with my illnesses. Let's get the kettle on. Let's get the kettle on. Let's get the kettle
I don't
on.
need to do the pedal.
Yeah. I'll sort it out. I'll do the drink if you keep grinding. But yeah, just for comparison, same area on mine, completely rusted out here. I had to cut that out, and this is where all the delicious, straight true. So that's the seatbelt mounting point I was talking about. That is completely gone. It's the inner sill, outer sill, the thing in between. Oh mate, and then this like frame rail. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that, but that's a story for another day. Just out of sight, out of mind. For now, look at this nice rug. That's nice. Ooh, yes. Most important tool on the job, mate. This boy. Stary. Blip. Squashing your balls.
All day.
Sparky balls.
All day.
Sparky balls.
Any ideas?
So yeah, new bit, welded in. Just hefty amount of weld, but the penetration, I can't really see very well. Yeah, showing light on it. Yeah, the penetrate, yeah, perfect. So there is just material everywhere, and you know it's solid, you know it's not gonna, you know it's strong. So that's what it looks like, fresh from the weld. And now we'll give it a little grindy jobby. Yeah, mind your eyes. Half a safety, mate. Half a safety. If the half a safety inspector comes along, at least you got half a safety on.
out.
Right there, mate. So yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Yeah.
So yeah, just checking if the line is straight. Gonna hammer it back a bit. Right, and a disclaimer. This is
Any
like
ideas?
nobody freaking knows what the hell we're doing here. But if you can YouTube it, you can do it. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Rust-free, fresh little piece of repaired
Any
sill.
ideas?
Beautiful job, man. That's beautiful job. That is a beautiful job. Def crust.
Simple recovery.
This is Def crust that used to live here, like this, and we don't want it anymore. We don't want it. We want this nice, fresh bit of metal. Let's switch over to this nice wide angle, boy. Oh, look at the wide angle on the boy. Nice, fresh bit of metal. Spetsnaz. Spetsnaz dog.
How wide should it be, Tree? Pull it down.
Mate, that could be a ball unit. Just casually blowing all the crust inside the car.
Yeah. Right, you should be across. Do you have the light on?
No, that's alright. You can sort of see. You get the idea of what's happening.
Oh, mate, that'll do.
Mate, that was a quick 1, 2, 3.
Any ideas?
Professional, eh, mate?
Needs a millimeter.
Sit. Sit. Good boy.